In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to any language in Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar regularly, changing the language can make the experience much more comfortable and easier to navigate. The good news is that this only takes a moment, and everything is done directly from the Google Calendar settings. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see the settings gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open the menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your calendar, where you can adjust things like display options, time settings, and of course, language preferences. When the settings page opens, look for the section labeled Language and Region. Or in some versions, it may simply be called Language. Google sometimes updates the layout slightly, so if it doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, don't worry. The wording may vary a little, but the option you need will still be in the settings panel. Once you find the language section, click the language drop-down menu. This will open a list of available languages you can choose from. Scroll through the list if needed, then select the language you want to use in Google Calendar. As soon as you choose your new language, the interface will usually update automatically. That means menu labels, settings, text, and other parts of the Google Calendar layout will appear in the language you selected. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page once. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that changing the language in Google Calendar may also reflect your broader Google account language preferences, depending on your setup. So if you use other Google services, you may notice similar language changes there as well. Also, if you're switching to a language you're still learning, this can be a useful way to build familiarity with common words and navigation terms in a real-world setting. Just make sure you choose a language you'll still be able to navigate comfortably, especially if you need quick access to your schedule. And that's all it takes. Click the settings gear icon, open settings, find the language section, and choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. After that, Google Calendar will display in the language you selected.